Websites change constantly, content disappears, formats update, and what was once public can become lost in digital time. But in reality, the internet rarely forgets anything, and not only can you access old information, but you can also easily travel back in time. So in this video, I'll show you a really simple tool which you can use freely to browse the history of almost any website and discover vanished pages. Keep in mind, this tool is not just for nostalgia or casual browsing either. Researchers and even hackers rely on it to dig deep into unintended old information, which often remains hidden inside source codes or historical files. And of course, the tool I'm referring to here is the Wayback Machine, which is part of the Internet Archive project, and it's completely free to use. And I feel that a lot of people already know about it, but just as many have never heard of it. So without wasting your time, let me show you exactly how to use it. Now first, you need to go to archive.org/web on your browser. Once you're on the site, you'll see a simple search bar at the top. So here you just type in the URL of the website which you want to investigate, and this can be anything like a news article, an old blog, or even a page or website that's been deleted. Once you type a URL and hit enter, you'll see a timeline bar at the top. This basically shows you all the years that the Wayback Machine has archived versions or snapshots of that specific webpage. Just below the timeline, there's a calendar view broken down by months. On this calendar, you'll notice that certain dates marked with colored circles, usually blue or green. These are the days when a snapshot of the page was captured. Each circle here represents a moment in time which you can revisit. If you click on one of those circles, the Wayback Machine will show you all the available snapshots from that day, each one marked with the exact time it was captured. From there, just click on a timestamp and the Wayback Machine will load the version of the website exactly as it appeared at that moment, even if it's been deleted or changed since then, which is kind of like stepping into a digital time capsule. Now, once you're inside a snapshot, you can explore the page almost like it was live. And if it was archived properly, you can sometimes click links, scroll through content, even see images and videos. It's definitely not perfect, but in many cases, it can be accurate. Now, where things get even more interesting is that you're not just limited to what you can see on the surface. You can actually view the page source or inspect elements to uncover things like hidden metadata, old JavaScript or CSS files, and sometimes even links to downloadable files like documents, images, or other resources which have been removed from the live site but were captured during the snapshot. This kind of access makes the Wayback Machine incredibly valuable for all kinds of people, like researchers who can use it to track changes in public statements, websites, or official documents, maybe a journalist preserving key information or evidence before it disappears. Sometimes cybersecurity professionals and even hackers use it to analyze vulnerabilities or expose data, and it can even be useful for everyday users who just want to recover something they lost, like a deleted blog post, an old tutorial, or even a product listing which is no longer available. Now, in addition to viewing snapshots of pages in time, you can also archive any website yourself. If you just go back to the Wayback Machine homepage and then enter the URL in the Save Page Now field and then hit the Save Page button, it will redirect you to a separate page. Now from here, if you hit the Save Page button again, the system will crawl the page in real time, capture its contents, and then create a permanent timestamp version of it. Now this archive page will become publicly accessible, and you'll even get a unique URL to share or revisit anytime. So this means you're not just relying on what the Wayback Machine has already saved, you can actively contribute to the archive, which is also a great way to save or keep a record of something you think might be edited or removed in the future. I think the Wayback Machine is one of the underrated tools on the internet, and after watching this video, you now know exactly how to use it to explore the past, recover lost content, or even preserve pages for the future. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, drop a comment, or share with someone who might need it. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.